Employee information management is essential for every organization. Keeping employee records accurate and up to date is critical for effective HR operations. With greytHR, you can manage the entire employee lifecycle, streamline HR processes, and gain meaningful insights with minimal effort. From your greytHR admin portal, select Employee Information Bank. Select the employee to get started. Click on the edit icon to update the bank account information of the employee, such as bank name, bank branch, IBAN number, account type, payment type. Once done, click here to save the changes. Please note the bank account information updated on this page will be considered for the salary disbursement. Moving ahead, let's see how to update the MOL ID. The employee profile page in the greytHR admin portal allows you to add, edit the profile details of an employee. The page helps you to keep the employee information up to date. From your greytHR admin portal, select Employee Information Employee Profile. On the employee profile page, click the Add button on the employee identity card. The document type drop-down list appears. Select MOL ID and enter the number. Kindly verify the number once, enable Document Verified, and click Save to add the employee identity information. Now let's see how to update Emirates ID under Card Details. On the same page, navigate to Card Details. In the Search Employee search box, enter the name or number of the employee for whom you want to add the information. Click Add the Card Details. The Card Details form appears. Enter the required information such as relation, family relation cards can also be added, then card type, valid card number, personal number, issue date, and expiry date. Click Save to add the card details. You can also edit and delete the access card details using the edit icon. Finally, let's review how to update routing code. Navigate to the Settings icon, System Settings, General, Bank Branch. On the Bank Branch page, from the Bank drop-down list, select the bank in which your organization holds an account. A table appears. Under the Description column, double-click the required row and enter the branch name. Under the Routing Code column, double-click the row next to the branch and enter the bank's routing code. Click Save to add the bank branch details. You can also delete an existing or newly added branch by clicking the Delete icon next to the Routing Code column. To verify whether the changes are updated, go to Employee, Bank, and check if the updated details are reflected. With that, we come to an end. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.